If science can manufacture generic forms of traditional drugs, copies of breakthrough biotechnology medicines can't be far behind, right? Find out why it's not that simple as we explore the world of biosimilars. Hi, I'm Dr. David Targan, and welcome to BioBytes. Biotechnology represents the cutting edge of medical research, creating treatments and cures for serious diseases like cancer, hepatitis, HIV/AIDS, multiple sclerosis, and a host of rare diseases. To help patients access these critical, life-enhancing medicines, Congress is now considering legislation that will bring lower-cost versions of innovative biological medicines to market for the first time. These are biosimilars, medicines which are similar to pioneering biological medicines. In many ways, biosimilars are likely to bring the benefits that we already have with traditional drugs, such as lower costs and more treatment choices, to these cutting-edge medicines. Biosimilars legislation should be passed, and it could help lower the cost of biological medicines while still ensuring that innovative biotechnology companies have strong incentives to continue to develop new breakthrough medicines for patients in the future. But let's be clear. Biosimilars are not generics. It is not possible to create an exact copy of a biologic medicine using existing science. They can be similar, but not the same. To understand why, first let's talk about the difference between traditional drugs and biologics. A traditional drug, like many allergy medicines, painkillers, or statins to help lower your cholesterol, is typically manufactured through chemical synthesis, which means that it is made by combining specific chemical ingredients in an ordered process. Traditional drugs are often called small molecules because they typically consist of relatively few atoms. They are often delivered in the familiar form of pills or gel caps. Whether you buy a brand name drug or a generic copy of that drug, you can usually be confident that your medicine has the same chemical makeup, safety, and effectiveness. By contrast, biotechnology medicines are made in living systems, generally animal, plant, or bacterial cells. These medicines are often called large molecules because the molecules are hundreds to thousands of times larger than traditional drugs. They are often delivered by infusion or injection. The living systems used to produce biologics are highly complex and can be sensitive to very minor changes in the manufacturing process. Small process differences can significantly affect the way the finished biologic functions in the body. For example, a minor process difference may lead to a change in the molecule that provokes an unwanted immune reaction. Such immune reactions are a greater concern with respect to biologics than small molecule drugs and can be severe. The introduction of safe and effective biosimilars may eventually provide patients a more affordable alternative to innovative life-saving medicines, which is a goal we all share. But an affordable alternative that is not safe or is ineffective is no bargain at all. Given the complex nature of biological medicines, Congress and the FDA must ensure that the requirements for biosimilars will ensure patient safety. For example, legislation and regulation should require appropriate clinical testing of the biosimilar medicine, and Congress should ensure that patients receive the specific biological medicine prescribed by their physician. We can take no shortcuts in safety when it comes to biosimilars. Patients around the world deserve no less. For BioBytes, I'm Dr. David Targan.